Following popular demand, Insta360 finally found a good way to implement one of the most requested and standout features of the new Insta360 X5 lens replacement, and you can carry out the entire process at home with no more sending the unit in for lengthy service thanks to this, the Insta360 Lens Replacement Kit. The problem with Insta360 cameras like this is that the lenses are always exposed, making scratches and damage a constant concern, since a scratched lens generally means expensive repairs, long wait times, and frustrating downtime. Not anymore though. Not only do we now have an ultra hard coating, making the X5's lenses extra tough and even more scratch resistant than before, we now also have the ability to replace lenses at home, with no more costly repairs or waiting weeks for service. So it all starts with a damaged lens, and yes, this was as painful to do as it probably is to watch, but if we're going to see how this kit works, we may as well do it properly, right? So here we have it, a completely damaged lens. That would usually mean an expensive and lengthy repair. In fact, it's so bad the glass fell right out in pieces. Ugly, right? Although with the kit, we can have this repaired in minutes. Well, I really hope so anyways. The kit comes complete with everything we need, including the tools to get the job done. Note that this procedure should be done in lower humidity levels to avoid any fogging on the lens while the cover is being replaced. With that in mind, we have several components here, which we'll cover as we use them, although it all starts with this lens grip tool, which is used to remove and replace the lens ring. Align the orange mark on the lens grip with the white mark on the lens ring, which we can just about see. In essence, it will be facing downwards regardless. With it in place, a handy marker on the tool shows to twist anti-clockwise to unlock. 2 full turns should do it. After which the tool can be removed and the lens ring goes along with it. Ordinarily, you would now use the supplied pick to remove the damaged lens, although as we saw, mine was so bad it's all crumbled out anyways. This is where we need to be extremely careful though. The inner lens must be completely clean. No dust, debris or stains, as these can all affect image quality, so the kit includes wipes, a soft brush, even a blower, which should all be used to make sure the lens surface is completely clean and free from dust. Only then can we begin to install the new lens, located securely within the accompanying box, complete with a mini suction cup that isn't actually providing any suction to be fair, and onto place on the camera's own lens. The removal tool, which still has that lens ring attached, can then be lowered into position, making sure the orange mark faces downwards. And then it's 2 full rotations, clockwise this time, to lock it into place. Finally, remove the tool, and check that the white mark on the lens ring faces downwards towards the microphone, and that it's completely level and not misaligned. If it is misaligned, remove it using the tool and replace again. At this point, it's also a good idea to complete the stitching calibration in order to ensure the camera can stitch images from both lenses as seamlessly as possible. A quick and easy procedure that involves simply holding the camera out level in front of you and letting the calibration do its thing. And that's it. We've just performed a complete lens replacement within a few minutes, rather than sending the unit in for a costly service that could take weeks. A fantastic feature with all the required tools and components you need in one handy package, leaving you ready to go back out and carry on capturing great immersive content.